Hey everybody, I'm Ben, and this is Ben's best deal of the day here at the Thornton Appliance Factory. Check this out. This is awesome. This is a GE French door, stainless steel. Look at this. You're saving $1,400 because it's out of box. You know, your dents, look at this. They're right here. So you throw the handles on this thing, and you're not even going to see those dents. Cool thing is too, it comes with the handles, has a dispenser. I mean, you can't get something with a dispenser right now for better than this price, so that's really awesome. And if you buy this one, we'll wipe the fingerprints off of it for free.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.